What's up, hustlers? Welcome back to Velocibite Hustle, where we break down real side hustle strategies so you don't get scammed or stuck. Today, I'm answering a big question. Can you really start a side hustle with $0 in 2025? No capital, no paid tools, no ads, just raw grind and smart moves. Let me show you how I'd do it, step by step, the game plan. If I had to start today with nothing, no money, no gear, no paid tools, this is exactly how I'd do it. The goal: build an income stream using just my time and free resources. The method I'd go with: affiliate marketing through free content creation. Why? It's low risk, doesn't need inventory or shipping, and the earning potential scales up over time. The free setup. Here's what I'd use, completely free. Platform. I'd use blogger.com to launch a free blog. No domain, no hosting fees, just sign up and start writing. Design tools. I'd use Canva, free version, to create a logo, banner, and simple visuals for blog posts or social sharing. Affiliate programs to join. Partner Stack for software referrals. Amazon Associates for gear/books. Systeme.io, all-in-one free funnel tool, also has an affiliate program. All of these are free to join and don't require prior approvals or purchases. The content strategy. I'd focus on writing value-first reviews and tutorials based on tools I've researched or tested free trials. For example, Top 3 AI Writing Tools for Broke Entrepreneurs. How to create a free landing page, step by step. Best free email marketing tools in 2025. I'd make each blog post helpful, not hype, just straight value with a CTA like. Try this tool here for free, then my affiliate link. Getting traffic for free. Here's how I'd promote without ads. First, Reddit. Find 2 to 3 niche subreddits, e.g., r side hustle, r work online. Post helpful insights and link to my blog when appropriate. Second, Pinterest. Create 1 to 2 clean pins per blog post using Canva, link them to my site. Pinterest has staying power and is underrated in 2025. 3. X/Twitter. Daily micro tips and threads. Each thread links back to relevant posts. Shitverte Facebook groups. Join relevant hustle or entrepreneur groups. Share value first, not links. Then drop your blog when it fits naturally. Time investment. Around 2 hours a day, focusing on content and distribution. What I'd expect. Let's be real. I wouldn't expect big cash in week 1. But this method is scalable and free, meaning it's perfect for long-term momentum. After 2 to 3 weeks of consistent posting, I'd hope for 100 to 300 blog views, 1 to 2 small affiliate commissions, proof of concept to grow further. Final thoughts. Starting with $0 is possible, but only if you're willing to give your time, energy, and patience. The key isn't flashy results, it's momentum. Once that kicks in, the compound effect takes over. If you want me to actually try this on camera